This is a 6 top, 6 bottom, single cap grill set. These are actually individual single caps. You can see the deep lines in between each tooth, which gives it that nice permanent style look. Okay, this is 925 solid sterling silver. And again, these are individual single caps, but the effect is pretty stunning. Check that out. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com. Check us out. This is a handmade grill set. It is not made by a machine. It is made by hand. And it is available now, guys. You get to choose top, bottom, or set at blingcartel.com. Check it out, guys. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.